Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome. Do not forget to hit the follow button and join us on my YouTube journey. If you saw my previous video, which I'll put here, of my cult beauty haul, I picked up the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies little skincare set. So I thought I would come on and do a review of it because I found that when I was looking at these products, there was reviews, but not like really in-depth reviews of each product or like Glow Recipe in general. So or it was like individual products. So I thought I'm going to review this set, so you can see a full review of the set that you're getting, but then also just to review the product so that if you wanted to buy a larger one of these anyway, you would have like a little bit of an in-depth review. So I'm going to talk through these products, and then obviously I'm going to try them as my skincare routine probably for this evening, and then just give you like a little review on the actual products themselves, and yeah, see where we go. This is the little box that you get. It says that you can achieve bouncy glowing skin with these beauty sellers. I have seen some people have the best skin reviews, and also their makeup sits like really nice on it, and when I've seen it on TikTok, so I thought I'm going to try it. In terms of what you get, the box is quite small, so I don't expect them to be that large, but I'm going to do this without dropping it. That is basically, that one's dropping through. This is basically what you get in it. So they are quite small. However, they are quite a good enough amount to try. Do you know what this is actually really good for if you're traveling? So if you already use Glow Recipe, great for while you're traveling, because I think everything is under 30 ml or is 30 ml and under. So that is really good. So the first thing that you get is the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisturized Cleanser, which is nourishing and can be used to remove makeup. It contains colloidal oatmeal, prebiotics and ceramides. I'm not sure how I was going to feel about the smell of this because it's quite a unique smell, and a scent will put me off buying a product, especially like a skincare product, for cleansing or toning, anything like that. It will really put me off a product if it's too weird or artificial. In my head, I feel like these are going to have like a really artificial scent, but obviously, like I said, I'm open to trying. So, oh, that doesn't really have a smell. I don't really know what I was going to expect. I thought I was expecting avocado. It just smells kind of like a cleanser. There's no sweet smell to it. I feel like I could be on board with that. In terms of the cleanser, it says lather an almond-sized amount into the face in circular motions until fully cleansed or when your makeup is dissolved, and then rinse thoroughly. So we're going to give that a go. The next step in the skincare routine is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tightening Toner that contains hyaluronic acid and cactus water with willow bark. You use this toner as your first leave-on treatment step as well. So once you've cleansed your face, you will then just use this. You can apply it with a cotton pad. You can apply it with your hands. Some people are a bit different. They like to use different things, but I'm excited to try this. Oh, you can literally smell that as soon as you open it, and it's still got like the foil on, and it's a really nice, normally I wasn't a fan of watermelon, but I actually really like watermelon smell recently. Oh, that is lovely. That's really nice. Like, that would make me want to use it because that smells really good. Oh, that is so good. Then it says that the next step in the routine is if your skin is looking dull or feeling textured, apply Strawberry Smooth Salicylic Serum, which is this one here. Apply this using patting motions until fully absorbed. And then if you want to brighten your skin and add radiance, layer with the Watermelon Drops Serum, which is this one. So you can use one or the other, or you can use both. It says, double the serum, double the benefits. Our serums are designed to layer together to target multiple skin concerns and maximize benefits. So that's what you get from trying them together. But like I said, if you're just looking for like to rejuvenate tired skin and add a bit of radiance, you can use this. And then it says, add a tiny size amount of your Plump Hyaluronic Cream to finish. So I'm just going to start with this one because I want to see what it, oh, it's a pump, hang on. I'm going to smell it. So it's a pump, which is really easy application. It smells like, it reminds me of, do you know when you were younger and you used to get those like lip smacker things from like Claire's? I'll put a picture here if I can find it, but that like really sweet strawberry, it smells artificial, but I didn't know what I was expecting. Like I wasn't expecting like a refreshing smell. So it's quite a sweet smell, but it actually smells really nice. And then this is watermelon, so I'm guessing it smells the same as the toner. Yeah, really refreshing, really nice watermelon scent without being overpowering. And then Plum moisturizer. This probably might be overpowering. Oh, that's actually not as strong as I thought it was going to be. Nice sweet smell, but not overpowering. Kind of smells like bubblegum. Yeah, like a Hubba Bubba, like strawberry bubblegum or something like that. That's what it kind of smells like. So not what I was expecting, but really nice. The consistency is like a really nice gel moisturizer rather than like a thick moisturizer. I actually quite like that. That's actually quite nice. So I'm actually going to just use this whole routine to get rid of my face, and then I'll let you know my thoughts on it. Overall, they're not as overpowering as I thought they were going to be. I just want to see if they do a good job and like leave my skin looking really dewy and nice. So we shall see. And I'm going to start by doing the routine of skincare that it says. I'm just debating whether to take off my makeup with some micellar water first, or do I use the cleanser? Part of me is like, use the cleanser just to see if it actually fully gets makeup off. The other part of me is like, use water because that's how you take it off anyway. But I think I'm going to go in and just use this so we can see how it is. So I'm just going to go get my cloth and I'll be back. Okay, so it says to wet your face, which I have done, as you can see. Put that over there. And then use this and apply in circular motion. So I'm literally going to take the tiniest amount first. It's really smooth. It's got no grainy bits in. There's no weird sense. Oh, you can literally see it melting my makeup. It's got no weird scent to it. It actually just smells like a skincare product. Nothing overpowering or fruity or anything about it. You can literally see it melting. I didn't think it would work like that. It's like a liquid cleansing balm. You can literally see it melting all my makeup away. That's so nice. I think we will probably double cleanse. So I'm gonna use this to cleanse my face and then probably go again. So I'll use it to remove my makeup and then I'll double cleanse. So that's after the first cleanse. So I've just wet my face again. I'm just taking again the same small pea-sized amount and I'm just double cleansing because I think there's still some residue of makeup. My skin is looking really dull and tired. So I just wanted something that was going to help like brighten and plump my skin up and just look a little bit more radiant. So I thought this would be a good product to buy. It's actually so much less artificial, like scented than I thought. I thought it would feel like quite plasticky, the products, but they actually feel really nice on my skin. I like the fact that this isn't like a really smooth cleanser and there's no like grainy bits in it. So I'm just going to go in and remove this cleanser again. Okay, so this is double cleanse. I don't know how well it's removed my eye makeup, but in terms of my skin feels really cleansed. I didn't think it would feel like clean. I don't know what I thought it would feel like, but I just felt like I'd still have like a product build-up on there, but it feels super clean. It feels like it's really got into like my pores. You can start to see like all my impurities and my discoloration. So it's done like a really good job in cleaning. I'm actually going to go in and apply the Watermelon Glow with my hands rather than a cotton pad, just so I can kind of see. So I'm just going to take, oh, that's like, can you see that? It's like a jelly consistency. It's not as liquid as I thought, but the smell is so nice. It's really, oh my God, that feels actually really nice and refreshing on my skin. Oh, I didn't know what to expect. I didn't expect it to be that like, not gooey, but like jelly consistency when I opened it. However, it doesn't feel tacky on my face. It actually feels super, super nice on my face. I actually really like that product. I'm actually going to use the full range, so I am going to go in with the BHA and AHA salicylic acid strawberry one. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of it, probably. Maybe just need 1 because actually it's quite a generous pump. This is probably the most artificial smelling out of the full range, but the serum feels so nice on my skin. I've actually seen really good reviews of this product, but this feels so nice on my skin. It feels like it's not sitting on my skin. It feels like it's actually getting into my skin and really feels like it's actually working in my skin. So this one says that it should actually help with breakouts and like overall dullness of the skin, just helping like your skin look clearer over time. So I'm excited to see how that one works. And then I'm now going to go in with the watermelon dewdrops, which obviously I hear all the time. I don't know if this is more of a daytime or you can use it as both, because it's like a brightening, helps brighten like your skin. So I think it would be really good. Just I feel like really dull around my skin. But we're going to try this. I'm going to go in with 1.5 pump, I would say. And I'm just going to pat this one in to my skin. Oh, feels stickier than the strawberry already. But I really, actually really like this watermelon. The watermelon smell. The consistency is a lot runnier than the strawberry glow. So I've used 1.5 pump. You could probably get away with just using 1 pump because it feels like I might have a little bit too much product like on this part of my face. I'm just going to pat that in. So it's said to instantly highlight the skin and just add that dewiness into your skin. So you kind of don't need to wear makeup, but you can actually see where it's highlighted the areas of my skin. It feels really dewy and I love dewy makeup. So even if I was to wear makeup or just do like a concealer, no foundation look, I think this would sit really nice underneath makeup. So I'm actually excited to try it underneath a full face, rather than like underneath a face of makeup, rather than actually like in a skincare routine anyway. But that's a really nice one. So then going on to the Plump hyaluronic cream. So obviously hyaluronic is supposed to be super hydrating. My skin is still a little bit damp from the serum, so I think it's quite good to use. I'm just going to take a tiny amount of that. I think it's still, yeah, oh my god, this texture is not what you expect. I expected quite a rich moisturizer, and it's actually kind of like a gel moisturized formula, which feels so nice. You actually don't need a lot of product at all. That has gone on so nice. You really don't need a lot of that product. Like you can, the tiniest amount, like that small jar could actually last you like quite a bit of time. Pleasantly surprised. So this is my face post glow recipe skincare products. My eyes still feel like the darkness under here could potentially be some makeup residue that didn't come off fully with the cleanser, but apart from that, my actual skin feels super plump, super dewy, and just like really nice overall. I thought it would feel quite sticky, but it feels not sticky at all. It feels like the products have actually seeped into my skin, so they could and potentially are doing what they say they do. I'm actually really excited to use this product because I feel like there's potentially a few in here already that I would buy the full size as. So I'm going to keep using it for a week or so and like finish the tiny bottles and see how well it sits with my skin, because I think I need to try it just before I go in and buy the full, just because I don't know if it will react straight away. But overall in general, I think it's come out looking really dewy, really nice. If you've used any of these products, let me know your thoughts below. Let me know which one your favourite glow recipe product is, and let me know if there's anything else you would like me to try. And do not forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.